So we are going to Home Depot to get some supplies. We're gonna make a hanging clothing rod from the... Someone's laughing behind the camera. So we're gonna take one wooden stick, hook on the top,
okay,
and then a chain. It's gonna hold on to our Easy Up.
Right.
So they're gonna be hanging. It also weigh down the Easy Up. It's gonna be windy, so we're gonna need that. Go get your own.
Yeah, we're on the way to Home Depot. We're gonna grab some supplies that we didn't get yesterday, but we saw this video on TikTok originally.
Hi friends, so keep watching this video if you want to see how I built my own hanging rack. So let's take a trip to Home Depot that I use, and these are the tips and tricks that have worked for me. Depending on what canopy you use, it's definitely going to be different, but I wanted to give you an idea. And yeah, so this is what it looks like once it's on the canopy.
You'll hang off your canopy so you can put clothes on it, which makes it a lot easier to pack, to set up, to set down. Like, it'd be so much easier if we had this set up. So, and then we're gonna show you guys the process of what we do and any mistakes that we make so that you guys don't make them yourselves.
Hey, that's plastic.
Kitty. Kitty! Oh, kitty. If anything in this process looked hard, I promise you, it just takes the trial. It's really easy once you try it. You can see our last rack was a little shaky, and these are just great. So if you have the time, you have the tools, you should definitely try it. We're definitely gonna build more, and I'll see you in the next video.